Welcome to Sanatan Dibita. I am Padam Gupta. We bring you a column by A.K. Merchant. The earth is but one country. How will the world move forward with all its myriad complexities and divisive tendencies? The answer lies in the Bahab's declaration in Siraj. He announced fulfillment of prophecies in sacred scriptures of all religion and envisaged emergence of a global spiritual order in May 1844. Motivating his fellow men and women and addressed people of the West, bidding them to issue forth from their cities to aid gods and become as brethren in one and indivisible religion that is progressive and all embracing. Coincidentally, in May 1844, Samuel Morse sent the first telegraph message, "What hath God brought?" A quote from the Bible, from Washington, D.C. to Baltimore. This event marked a significant moment in the history of communication. The Wahab's declaration evoked an emotional response as 18 individuals from different religions, including a woman, accepted the one and indivisible religion and were given the title Letters of the Living. The new outpouring of divine guidance received impetus through the manifestations of Baha'u'llah, founder Baha'i faith. He extended the mission of the Bahab and proclaimed to emperors and governments to resolve differences, establish peace and the rule with justice and equality over their subjects living in the throes of poverty. Bahab's and Baha'u'llah's teaching offers blueprint for a new world order that would be ecologically sustainable and peaceful. The earth is but one country and humankind its citizen. Widespread uncertainty and chaos have engulfed most of the world's population, yet followers of the Bahab and Baha'u'llahs are hopeful and confident that humankind will resolve its differences, lay aside all petty conflicts, and live happily ever after. Altruistic motives must check traditional approaches of domination. Eco-centered action must give way to global awareness, and the will to succeed by hook or crook should be transmuted into will to serve the world. The way towards mutual tolerance and sustainability will be one of the empowerment, collaboration, and continual process of questioning, learning, and action. It will be shaped by experiences of women, men, youth, and children, rich and poor, governors and the governed, as each one is unable to play their rightful role in the creation of a new society. So powerful is the light of unity, it can illuminate the whole world. Baha'u'llah is firmly believed. When our thoughts become harmonious and peaceful, we will begin laying the foundation of a new, compassionate world order. Man and women must lead in creating a societal order spiritually attuned to consciousness of oneness and wholeness of humankind. The declaration anniversary of the Bahab is celebrated on May 23, 1844 worldwide by Baha is special prayer services. The writer is the secretary of Baha'i